Honda Transalp 700, 2008 to 2012, review. Decent value on the used market. This latest version of the Honda Transalp 700 is much improved over the last model, but to be honest, that was never going to be difficult. What is it? It's a fairly basic 4-valve V-twin engine with fuel injection, dual 40mm injector bodies, housed in a steel frame with the engine as a stressed member. Long travel suspension, vaguely off-road styling and a big comfy seat complete the package, which was built at Honda's factory in Spain. The motor is just quick enough, should last forever, and offers a smile when the mood takes you. The 2008 Honda Transalp's handling isn't bad, either, considering the market the motorcycle is aimed at. Looks-wise it's funky, versatile, practical, user-friendly, easy to ride and should prove a top seller for Honda, although it would benefit from a larger tank, bit more power and a 6th gear. This version of the Transalp replaced the XL650V Transalp in 2008. It went off sale in 2012. However, in 2011 it was renamed the Honda XL700VA Transalp. Ride quality and brakes. Like most Hondas, the Transalp is a doddle to ride, quick or slow, and ideal for learners or more experienced riders wanting something different. Around town or down a lovely switchback road, the new Honda Transalp turns easily and is very flickable. The smaller front wheel helps, down from 21-inch to 19. Engine. The Honda Transalp's V-twin 700 cubic centimeters engine isn't going to impress your mates with breathtaking performance. 59 brake horsepower is far from impressive, but it does the job intended. It's punchy low down around town and will happily tour along at 70 to 80 miles per hour all day. Just don't expect too much. It's just a shame it doesn't come with 6 gears. Reliability and build quality. The new Honda Transalp's engine, derived from that of the Deauville, will still be going strong when you're 6 feet under. Their reliability is that legendary. The motorcycle feels robust and well put together, although it was actually made in Spain, not Japan. It has a nice finish and looks good, however there are 1 or 2 bits of cosmetic chrome parts which look questionable. Value versus rivals. For just over £5,000 you've got a versatile bike that just is happy around town 1 minute, then taking on some serious touring the next. It will even take on some light off-road riding. Our Honda Transalp 700 owners' reviews show nothing more than the usual concerns from a bike of this age and price point: some poor quality materials, a bit of corrosion and nothing major to give you a headache. Equipment. Considering the Honda Transalp's price tag, it's not bad. ABS is now standard. Fuel gauge, clock and speedo are digital, with an analog rev counter. Handguards are a nice touch, so is the small rack on the back for carrying luggage. There's also a huge list of accessories to personalize the motorcycle for touring or whatever your desired requirements.